Moving on to the next column. On adding all the digits given, 6 plus 4 plus 2 gives us 12, of which 2 is already written. Hence, the missing number over here is 1. We see that we have found all the missing digits over there. Now, we have to just verify whether we have found the correct digits or not. So, we will start adding from the ones column and we will see. So, 4 plus 2 plus 3 gives us 9, nothing carried over. 7 plus 7 plus 6 gives us 20, 2 carried over. Similarly, they will check. If they see that there is no error coming in between, that means our digits were correct. Now, let us take another example of subtraction. So, we will follow the same thing that we were using in addition. At ones place we have something minus 7 gives us 2. In order to find this missing number, we can use the opposite of subtraction, which is addition. So, if we add these two numbers, it will give us 9. We will replace this star by the number we have just found, 9. Now, moving on to the tens column, 5 minus something gives us 7. What do we notice here? We see that 7 is greater than 5. From this we can conclude that this 5 must be 15. 15 minus something gives us 7. Now, why we can say that? We can say that because if we see at the hundreds column, 8 minus 4, which is 3. How is it possible? Because we have exchanged 8 hundreds for 7 hundreds and 15 tens. So, it has become 7 and it has become 15. So, now 15 minus something gives 7. So, if you take away 8 from it, the answer will be 7. Hence, the missing number was 8. So, we will write 8 here. Moving on to the next column, which is the thousands column. 5 minus something gives us 6. Now, again 6 is greater than 5. So, it means that we are subtracting from 15, not 5. So, here we will cross out the 5, we will make it as 15. Now, what can be subtracted from 15 to give us 6? You can use the inverse operation for that. We know that 15 minus 9 gives us 6, hence 9 is the missing number here. So, we will replace the star by 9. Now, moving on to the 10,000s column, here something minus 5 gives us 3. Now, we can do the opposite of subtraction to find out the missing number. So, 5 plus 3 gives us 8, but we will not write 8 here. Moving on to the next column, which is the 10,000 column, here we see that something minus 5 gives us 3. In order to find the missing number, we can use the opposite of subtraction, which is addition, which will give us 8. However, 8 is the number which is after the regrouping. So, the original number will be 9. Because we have regrouped 10,000 for 10,000 here to make it as 15. Now, moving on to the last column, 7 minus something gives us 3. Now, think what can be subtracted from 7 to give us 3? The answer will be 4. So, we will write 4 in place of the star and we will see that we have found all the missing digits given.